literally in the parking lot of Trader Joe's right now, and Gianna's landing at the airport today at 3. So I thought it'd be nice to surprise her with some flowers. And right now I'm gonna show you guys how to make a bouquet, because I know a lot of you dudes out there just go and pick roses out of the store and just give it to your girl like that, but I'll show you how to make it 10 times better and costs not that much either. And I got these 3. Yeah, these 3 came out to $20. And I know some bouquets go up to like $30, $40. So I'm literally gonna do this in the back of my trunk in the Trader Joe's parking lot. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. So here's my primary flower right here, some roses, secondary flower, and I got some fillers. And if you got some roses, first thing you wanna do is de-thorn them and cut these leaves off so they don't rot. And you also wanna save this rubber band because this is really important for later. All right, I got all my roses de-thorned now. So then now it's time to put the bouquet together. So you wanna get your primary, get a little filler, pair it up like that, and grab a secondary, and just throw it up together like this. And then you just wanna keep going, hold it together, give it a little rotate, find a good spot for the rose, and just keep doing it until the bouquet is full. And for the roses, any bruised petals, just go ahead and plug it off like that. Alright, now we're done. I think I like how this one turned out. And when you're done, get the rubber band that you were saving. You're gonna put it under half, give it a couple wraps, and then through the other half. And there you go, now you have a bouquet. Then what you wanna do is get your Trader Joe's bag, cut it up so it's flat. Boom, just finished up. Here's how it's looking, guys. For $20, we made a $50 bouquet, also wrapped it up. Yeah, used the Trader Joe's bag that came with it. And the roses I got also came with this stick that you could put a note on it. So yeah, I'm gonna put my own note on it. Pretty much it. It took me like maybe 20 minutes to do, but she's gonna love it a lot more, and you get to pick what flowers go in it. My car is a freaking mess now, but it's all good. It's gonna be worth it. Here's how it's looking, guys. Now I gotta clean up this mess. But yeah, all we got left to do is to give this bouquet to her. And even though it doesn't look the best, it'll mean the most.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses.
Another day without another coffee.
I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? 'Cause I can see you probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long.
Gianna's about to land soon. We still gotta head to the airport. It's about 15 minutes away. And I also got her an iced matcha latte. I already know she's gonna love it. Along with her flowers. Time to head to the airport.
Is it moving along?
Aha, there she is.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Thank you. Will you be back?
Do you wanna escape without ending the night? We could try.
You hungry?
Am I hungry?
Yeah.
Why? Did you buy food first?
No, but I made a reservation.
Where? Where? Close your
Somewhere.
eyes.
What?
Close your eyes.
You have a surprise for me?
Yeah, I do.
What if I have to drive?
No. You're good. You're good. Close your eyes, please. I have a surprise for you. Okay, open your eyes.
What?
We can eat this later, though. We can eat it later.
Oh my god, you got sandwiches? Garlic bread. This is the best garlic bread I've ever had. Right now I'm at Abercrombie. We're in the fitting room right now, and they have like a jean sale going on. So I'm trying to pick out some jeans. We got like 6 different pairs of jeans over here. Going for more of like a baggy style today. This is what we got on right now. And my goal today is to leave with at least one good pair of jeans.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love.
Yes, sir, we left for some jeans. Got some baggy blue jeans. Finally, I've been looking for some, and it was on sale. Came out to like 60 bucks.
Love, I've been trying to forget, but you won't let